Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. For today's video, we're going to study about the perimeter and area of squares. So, square ay sa geometry, isa siyang plane figure na may equal 4 sides and equal 4 angles. Na lahat sila naka 90 degrees. So, sabi nila ang area measures the space inside a shape. So, iyan, nakikita natin kung ano yung shaded part ng purple. Ayan yung tinatawag na area. Kung ano yung nasasakupan. Yan yung area ng square. Area of a square formula. So, pag nagsisolve tayo nito, no, kailangan talaga natin kabisaduhin. At huwag nating kalilimutan ang formula nito dahil hindi ito nagbabago. So, ang formula ng area of a square is A is equal to A to the second power. So, it's like A times A, side times side. Yan yung formula ng square. So, dapat huwag nating kakalimutan. And next is, sabi nila, yung diagonal din. The area is also half of the diagonal square. So, ang magiging, pwede rin kung ang given, pag ang problem ay, ang given ay diagonal, ang gagamitin naman nating formula ay area is equal to d squared divided by 2. Yan naman ang kanyang formula. So, dalawa. Kung ano yung given, yan yung, of course, yun yung gagamitin natin. So, pag ang given ay yung side times side, A is equal to A squared. Pero pag diagonal, D squared divided by 2. So, let's have some examples para mas lalo nating maiintindihan. So, ang sabi dito sa ating first example, a square has a side length of 3 meters. What is its area? So, ang formula, A is equal to A squared. So, ang value ng A natin is 3m. So, using the A equals A squared formula, A is equal to 3m times 3m. That would be 9 square meters. So, next examples, calculate the area of this square. So, may given tayo dyan sa square. It says here 4 kilometers ang measurement nung side. So, using the formula again, A is equal to A squared. Given the A is equal to 4 km. So, 4 km times 4 km times 4 km. Of course, don't forget to always put the square there. Mahalaga po yan, laging may 2 dahil nga square, nasa area tayo. So, dapat may 2 lagi dyan. So, A is equal to 4 km times 4 km is equal to 16 square kilometers. Okay? Diba ang dali lang? Pure substitute lang tayo. So, next is calculate the area of this square. The side is 10 yards times 10 yards. So, given the A is equal to 10 yards. So, formula A is equal to A squared our given is A is equal to 10 square yards. So A is equal to 10 yards times 10 yards. That would be, the area would be 100 square yards. Next is calculate the area of this square. 8 cm by 8 cm. So our given is 8 cm, 8 square centimeter, and our formula, A is equal to A squared. So A is equal to 8 centimeters times 8 centimeters. Then our area would be 64 square centimeters. Now, proceed naman tayo sa perimeter. So, perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. So, huwag tayong magkakamali dito. Kung yung area is sabi inside, yung space sa loob, yung perimeter naman outside, yung distance around outside of a shape. So, madali lang to, yung buo lang, ito nakikita nyo yung broken lines, yan lang yun, yan. So the perimeter is 4 times the side length. So yung 4 na side niya, yun yung perimeter naman, yung iniikutan. So ang formula naman ng perimeter natin is, perimeter is equal to 4 times A, or 4 side plus side plus side. Okay, so examples. A square has a side length of 6 centimeters. What is its perimeter? So, solution. Ang formula natin ay P is equal to 4A. So, ano ang given natin? A is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So, i-multiply lang natin yan. So, P is equal to 4 times 6 centimeters. So, perimeter is equal to 24 centimeters. Our next example, calculate the perimeter of this square. So, our given is 4 meters. Ang side, 4 meters ang measurement ng each sides. So, our solution, the formula, P is equal to 4A. Our given, A is equal to 4. And so P, let's multiply, applying the formula. P is equal to 4 times 4 meters. So our perimeter is equal to 16 meters. Next is calculate the perimeter of this square. And the given is 5 yards each side. So for our solution, again, the formula, P is equal to 4A. So our given is 5 yards. Our A is equal to 5 yards. P is equal to 4 times 5. P is equal to 20 yards. So that us the answer, or the perimeter of that area. So let's try for for the diagonal. So for the diagonals of a square, kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina, so yung half is, that is the diagonal. So these are the diagonals of a square. As we can see, this a square has two diagonals. They are equal in length and intersect in the middle. As we can see, nag-intersect siya sa middle. So the diagonal is the side length times the square root of 2. So that is diagonal. So the diagonal is the side length times the square root of 2. So this is the formula. Don't forget also, diagonal is equal to a times square root of 2. So for our example, a square has a side length of 10 meters. What is the length of the diagonal? So ang unknown natin ay diagonal, yung sa loob. So ano ang formula natin doon? Diagonal length is equal to a times square root of 2. So huwag nating kakalimutan din, dapat kabisaduhin na rin natin yung kung ano yung value ng square root of 2 since it's a constant. So ang square root of 2 is equal to 1.41421. Okay? Dapat talaga kabisaduhin natin yan since this is a constant. So ang given natin nung a natin, yung side length is 10. So i-multiply lang natin 10 times 1.41421. That would be, so the diagonal length is 14.14 meters.